The ugly custody dispute between GMA presenter Michael Strahan and ex-wife Jean Muggli over twins Isabella and Sophia, 18, has been resolved. Since the former NFL player filed for divorce in 2005, Michael, 51, and Jean have fought over a number of custody disputes concerning their 18-year-old twins Isabella and Sophia. The U.S. Sun has exclusive information about the closure of their custody case in North Carolina, where Jean and the twins lived before relocating to New York. In October 2022, Sophia and Isabella will be 18. Tests at war. According to the New York Post, Michael was forced to pay Jean, whom he married in 1999, $15.3 million in settlement for their divorce as well as $18,000 per month in child support. In addition, he was mandated to pay $311,150 in unpaid child support. According to court documents, Jean claimed Michael had refused to pay for his kids' horseback riding lessons while insisting they stay in North Carolina to pursue their extracurricular activities in court documents obtained by the U.S. Sun in 2019. Michael later charged Jean with having a history of abusive conduct toward the twins in 2020. He said she was abusive both physically and mentally. The former New York Giants player also alleged that she failed to take them to treatment appointments, volleyball matches, and horseback riding competitions that were mandated by the court. They agreed to joint custody when the assault allegations were eventually rejected, according to Page 6. Because Jean consented to lease an apartment on the Upper West Side of Manhattan, the girls now attend two different high schools there. The parenting coordinator asked for permission to withdraw from further services in June 2022 because the appropriate fees of the parenting coordinator as imposed by this court had not been paid, according to the latest document filed in the case. Even though she was supposed to have a hearing on July 5, the parenting coordinator rejected her request just a few days later, on June 30. The court documents state that Michael is obligated to cover 90% of the parenting coordinator's retainer and all fees and expenses, with Jean being responsible for the remaining 10%. Michael accused Jean of engaging in a pattern of behavior in 2019 that was intended to expand the parenting coordinator's engagement unnecessarily and to greatly increase the fees charged by the parenting coordinator. The documents also showed Jean expressed worry about Michael paying the parenting coordinator a higher percentage because she thought it might lead to bias in judgment. Michael's current life. Along with presenters George Stephanopoulos and Robin Roberts, Michael serves as an anchor on Good Morning America at the moment. According to reports, Michael is paid $17 million a year to headline the ABC morning show. He is an NFL sports analyst and hosts $100,000 Pyramid on the network.